Hi everyone, this is Oscar here again, and on this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you are going to create the automated email sequence, as well as creating your email list inside your builder all after you sign up to the $1 trial. So without further ado, I'm gonna go over and go to our dashboard so you can see and understand what I'm trying to say here. So once you sign up for our dollar trial on your becoming an affiliate and going to our program, you need to go back and log into your builderall account. And this is what you're basically going to see. There you go. Log in. Okay, so literally, builder all will ask which country are you from. Okay, this is in relation to the setting up of your email list, as well as the auto email responder sequence that we are going to give away or share with you. The one that we've also used when you sign up in this program. Okay, so in my case, I'm gonna go click the Canada. It depends which country you're from, and this is what basically you're going to see. So I created a dummy account. So in order for you to see what is it look like, the dashboard when you first got here. Okay, so first, there's all this thing you want to skip at the moment, and what you need to do is just click the next button. This is actually very important, but you can always come back after later. Okay, so this is about the group, the builder group, and all that, and I'll explain that to you when we get one-on-one coaching training with me. Okay, so let's go to the mailing boss autoresponder. I think this is where we need to go. There you go. All right. So that's where we need to go. Anyway, we just kind of like turn around. Anyway, so the first thing you need to do is, of course, create your mailing list. This is kind of like where you want to send your client or whoever we're going to subscribe to you on your website. Okay, so this is basically what the mailing list form looks like, the one that I'm going to share with you. This is the mailing list, and this is the most important thing that you need to set up first when creating a website, when creating your builder all account. So they need all your information. So for this uh, training, purpose, we're gonna skip onto this name. This is the dummy I created, and just click the button next. And of course, they're gonna ask you what is your business. So name whatever, what's in your mind, what type of business, what the name of the business that you're gonna have. And in my case, I'm gonna have the Monkey Media, because we do digital marketing and social media marketing. That's what we do. So that's what I'm going to have here. So in your case, if you are going to use if you don't have a website yet, that is fine. Just leave it. And the email, if you are using your current Gmail account, that is fine. Later on, I'm going to teach you how you're going to create a professional email, inside your builder all dashboard. So we're gonna move on and skip to this and click the button next. Okay, so basically they're gonna ask you your personal information, your address, and all that, and that's what you're gonna have here. Fill this up, fill this form. Okay, choose which country you are from. Hang on. Where is Canada? Right there. Just click which country you are from, and just move on and click the next button. There you go. So the first video we did, transferring your website, log into your builderall account, setting up your affiliate, and this time we're going to do the transfer the automated email sequence to you. And once you click this button here, basically you will get this email list, the one that we are sending to you as well before. And this is the one that you're going to use. This is the thing that we have this done and made for you system, kind of like duplicating everything that we do, and the same thing that you're going to do to anyone who subscribe to you under your account on builderall. So all this thing, we just gonna need to transfer this to the mailing list, mailing boss list autoresponder email. I'm gonna go over to that right now. So first thing you need to do, we get in already here, so you don't have any list yet, I suppose. Okay, this is a blank list. So what you need to do is create your own brand email. Okay, so let's say, just in case, I'm gonna do Cubicle Ninja. This is the company I'm running, right? Cubicle Ninja mailing list. Okay, so on your case, you need to find your name, or their company name, or whatever. Okay, so this is going to be what it looks like on the display, and the description, we're going to leave it for now, double in, double up, and then we just wanted to create a list, literally, and transfer all the sequence, the email automated sequence here into your account. Okay, so click the next button after this, which is didn't work. They don't want to, like, leave it blank, so we're gonna have to write down affiliate marketing. Okay, they don't want to leave it blank, so that's it. And let's try this time. Okay, they led us, and the thing you need to do is create the text field. So we want to get your visitors information first. What does that mean? So you want to get their email, their name. Okay, just tag in last name, LN, abbreviation. So you want to have this required yes, so meaning they cannot live without filling this up. So their last name, and then you want to add another field. It could be their telephone number, the first name. Those are the things that you need to do, and just click the button yes right now. And you want to set this in order, who comes first, okay, in the mailing list form. So this is how it's gonna look like. The name first, last name second, and the email. And you wanna save this changes, okay? And it's been saved. So we got 3 fields. Let's go over again and check it out. There you go. So you have the email, last name, and the name. And here is the thing, the most important thing. This is the sequence that you're going to use on your account under your name mailing list. Okay, so what you need to do is go over here, and we are going to transfer all this information in the mailing boss automated sequence. And what we need to do right now is go over right here in this left side panel, scroll down button here under the campaigns, and you can see the email sequence. Click that button. There you go. Now we're going to create an email sequence. What is email sequence? It's the form of how you're going to retarget your audience. Okay, it's a continuous first day, second day, third day, 7 days, 21 days, how many days you want to send those email automatically to retarget your audience, sending your promotion, newsletter, and all that to convince your audience to buy the product. This is the same thing that we did to you, and you're going to transfer the same marketing system procedure that we are going to pass to you, the same thing that you're going to pass to your next subscriber. So what you need to do is name it literally first. So cubicle ninja form. All right. So it need to save, create new. Why I have to do it again? Cubicle ninja form and choose the list. Okay, we're going to choose this one here, and users that click on at least one. Okay, we're just gonna click this and save and edit. Now we're going to the dashboard where we can edit the automated sequence email responder. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is go right here, and we're gonna copy all this, copy one by one. Okay, this is how you're going to do it. Go back to the mailing boss and have that first campaign name under here, email number one, and in the subject we just basically copy all those informations. For the subject, this is the topic that we're gonna have, and the same thing, the email that you're going to use on your account. So kind of like duplicating everything here. All right. So you will be, not to worry of anything that you need to do on your the website that you are running. The same thing that we did. Okay. So what we need to do right now is go back and copy the body content part. Okay. So here I'm gonna teach you how you're going to do this. Copy, and you have to change the name, the information, the email that you're going to use, because yours will be the one that you're going to use when sending email to your client under you. Okay, so go back to the mailing boss and delete this, and just basically paste that content that we have. So basically what we have that we sent to our previous client will be the one you're going to send to your current client. So this is the wonders of this program that we have here. You don't need to worry about anything. Just basically change the telephone number here under your contact number, of course. Okay, let's say, all right. So basically you're going to change under you, okay, your name and all that. Okay, so when they follow up, they are the one that you are the one that they go contact with. Okay, and your email here. You're also gonna have to learn how to create a professional email. That will be on my program as well, and I'm gonna guide you over into that. Okay, so once everything is done, basically you just click done. Okay, and this is where we're going to set up when do you want to trigger that email. Okay, let's click this button here. So this is the thing here. Let's say when someone sign up to the form, that same thing that the one that you bought, right? When they opt in their information, they buy the $1 trial, and when they sign in, you're gonna have the automated sequence. Okay, let's see. Let's say after they bought the product, you want to trigger kind of like an email back to them, after they're subscribing, after they purchase the product itself. So, but here in this case, you want to send to current and future subscriber. I want you to set it up that way. So even the client that been in the past and in the future, they're going to uh, get an automatic email from you. So save it. There you go. And it's already activated. So all the information that we have here is the same thing that you're going to have. So you don't need to worry about following up to your client because it's already formatted and done for you. Same thing. Okay. Here's what we're going to do next. You need to add another email. Okay. Because this is a sequence. Okay. That I'm telling you. So where are we now? This is the first one. Okay, this is the second one that we are working on right now. So go back to the second email that has here and grab this email number 2, copy it, go back to your email, mailing boss, and copy it. Okay, same thing with the message, the subject. Go back here and grab the subject, copy it, go back to the mailing boss dashboard, bam, right? And here we need to have all the information. Okay, take note that you are the one we're going to contact, these people subscribing to you under you. So you have to replace the name, all the information here, basically, okay? There you go. Grab all those material. Okay. Copy them and go back. Edit. Delete the default content that was in there. And bam. Okay. So basically, what we have here is the same thing that you're going to use. You know, the content. Okay, I want to go over and try to highlight them. Okay, because I think they kind of like comes up uh, on a bold letter. You don't want to use that. Okay, so grab it and go scroll up. Click this button here, bold, and bold it. Okay, so that is what it's gonna look like supposedly. Okay. So all the information that we have is going to be the same information that you're going to have here. But keep in mind that you have to change information because this is going to be yours now that we've been transferred to you. Okay, so same thing. Go over here and click the done button. Now you have the email number 2 sequence done. Okay. Right? This is the email sequence number 2. And what you want to do is, when do you want to send this email? Of course, let's say after, let's say 15 minutes, you know, you want to send this email again, okay? 15 minutes, because you want to follow up with them right away, okay? So as you can see here, the first one is it's been triggered after the sign up or purchase, and it will send or trigger to them after 2 minutes, and then the next one will be 15 minutes. And I'm gonna cite another example, the last one that we're gonna have here. So it's going to be the same procedure that you have here. Okay, now we're gonna grab the email number 3, copy it, go back to mailing boss, and again, you need to add an email sequence, okay? So we're gonna remove this and have this one here. Same thing, we're gonna go over to our, the one that you copy from us, go back to mailing boss and have that paste the subject here. All right, and then same thing, you're gonna grab all this information. This is all the important information, how we try to convince, you know, the subscriber or anyone who purchase our product to the other services that we are offering. And this is how you are going to create an income becoming an affiliate marketer. Everything is already done here, the link and all that. So we need to go back again and try to uh, not to make this thing like it's bold. Okay, so the letter is kind of like bold, so all the link is already set up in there. We'll show you what is that like, and we did that for you. And this is going to be the same procedure that you are going to tell anyone will purchase this program to you, and you need to learn this, in order for you to convince whoever goes to your downline that you know what you're doing. So this is the reason why we have this video explaining what you need to do after signing up with us. And I'm gonna tell you, it doesn't matter if you're gonna use our video or you're gonna do it yourself, trying to change a bit the information, but the procedure will be the same. Okay, so change the information here. It's gonna be under your name, and I will show you what is this link about. And once they sign in, we're kind of like trying to convince them to go back and purchase the other services, other product that we are selling inside the program that we had. And here I'm gonna try to click this button here, and there you go. You can see that the one that we are selling is shows up, right? The other product that we are selling, the upsell that we have here, and also the product that you are going to sell when you are already have all this sales panel transferred to you. And I hope I'm making sense to all the information that I've been giving you away here, and that is how you're going to set it up, your email list, your autoresponder email sequence, when you have uh, everything on your dashboard on builderall. Anyway, I will see you in the next video on how where we advertise and how you're going to follow the same advertisement tactics that we do, and we know that it works. So see you in the next video. Bye.